Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the very exciting tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the 17 callouts pack. So after open the 17 callouts.aip file inside After Effects, you will see this type of interface. Like start with the project panel. Inside this panel you will get two different types of folder like assets and the 70 callouts. Each folder contains some comments like do not touch this folder. So inside this folder you will get not usable element, and inside 17 callouts you will get all the precomposition of 70 callouts like this. Okay, so you can choose any of the callouts. Like I will take callout 01. So just double click on it and you will enter those callout precomposition. So just drag the CTI and you will see the animation of those callout. Okay, so inside this precomposition you will get two different layer like the point controller name it and the pointer name it and the wipe precomposition. So you can see it. Like if you want to edit the callout position, so you can drag in any of where inside this precomposition. Okay, this is my target point, so you can easily place those two things by using this controller. Okay, also you can choose this first one controller and go to the effects control panel, and you can see a few attributes regarding those settings like the scale properties and the line length, like if you want to increase, or the thickness, point, and the color of the line, and the target scale. Okay, so I want to decrease it. Then you can see the wipe to precomposition. So go inside this precomposition, you will get your content box and the text things inside this precomposition. Also you can get a controller layer, so by using this layer you can manipulate the size of the box, like height, width. If you want to have some heavy text, so you can put your text inside those box like this. Also you can change the color of box, like if you are able to see in the very first one, you can see the red color will starting, so you can change whatever you want, like the orange one. And the opacity of the box like this. If you want to add some roundness into your box, so you can use it. Also you can increase this stroke width and those color like this. Also you can change the text like whatever you want. When you like this, and I want to change it into something like dark, not a dark, something red. Okay, I just want to set this one by using position properties. Okay, so after that you want to be drag this call out on your footage. So first of all, import your footage inside After Effects. For those things, just double click on your project panel like this and choose your footage and open it. Okay, so after that, drag your footage inside this precomposition like this and choose your footage start point. Like I want to be drag my footages from here, so I just trim it by using alt and bracket open, and then drag it forward from the very first frame. Okay, so after that, select your footage, go to the animations option and choose track motion option. So after that you will show a tracker panel at here. like this, and then choose this option like analyze forward. Before doing those things, you can set your track point, like I will track my backlight, this backlight, and then choose this option. It not work properly, like I will increase these things something like this, then it is tracked properly. Okay, so after that, once you track your footage, then go to the edit target option like this and choose this point controller, rename it, sorry, this point, rename it layer inside this layer option like this, and then hit OK, and then hit this apply button like this, then choose the dimension, like I want to be in XY, so then hit OK. So you can see your new callout easily track your point by using track motion. The next thing is you can do some manual things, like you can make your this animation some dynamic, so you, for those things you can animate the second point in position properties, like I will put some keyframe at here, then I drag it like someone here like this, then you can see it. Okay, so this is a 2D tracking. So let's talk about a 3D tracking. Okay, so talk about the 3D tracking. So for those things, first of all, you can make your own composition with some specific resolution. So I will take full HD resolution with my compatibility. Okay, after that you can choose your footage and import it inside After Effects and just drag and drop inside your custom pre-composition. So like this. So again, I will trim it from here like this. So I want to be track my footage from this point. Okay, then choose same option in, choose another option in same panel like track motion, not track motion, track camera. So it will take some time for analyzing all the backgrounds and the point inside this footage. Okay, so once you track your footage, so you will get a few dots on your video, like you can able to see, you can lots of like dots. So this is a locator, you can see it like this. Okay, then after that you can choose a one of the point, like those have in your footage at the long time, like I will take this green one, so for this wheel showing, so I just double click on it, not double click, I just right click on it and create null and a camera. Okay, after that you can see a two more layer inside your scene, so I will rename it like wheel. Okay, then choose call out pre-composition, like I will take a same callout and just drag and drop inside this precomposition. Okay, then you can go inside this callout and type your text whatever you want on your video and change the color and something like that. Okay, then you can uh, hit the P key, copy this null position and paste it over this callout position. Before doing this thing, you can convert it into a 3D layer and then paste it. Okay, so there it is some problem regarding the anchor point. So I just before doing this thing, I just set my anchor point, like I just by using Y key. So you can choose this man behind anchor point tool and place it your anchor point at here like this, then convert it into a 3D layer. So you can see it is once you convert into a 3D, it is totally disappear from its actual size and position. Then you can choose this wheel null layer and copy the position and then paste it over your callout position. So you can see it is totally track on your footage. Okay, or if you want to be something dynamic animation, so you can rotate your callouts into like y-axis, like something like this. Also you can animate it on those axes, like from 0 like this. And also I want to be animate my this point controller, rename it layer into a position properties, like to be at here, so you can see it something dynamic animation like this. Okay, if you want to increase the time of this callout, so you can easily apply the time remap. For doing those things, right click on it and choose the time properties and enable time remapping, so you can increase your callout time by using this key. once you did Once you apply time remap, you will see two more keyframe on it. So what can I do? In my last frame, I just one frame forward, like at here, and click this add or remove keyframe button, and just after that I just delete the last one, so you can increase it. You can easily increase the time of the callouts. Okay, okay guys, so that's all about this tutorial. If you had any other queries, so please leave us to mail in our mail address, or if you like my project, so please rate our project in your download section on Video Hive. Thank you, have a nice. Okay, so in this video you can see how can you import more than one callout on your video. So first of all, import your video inside After Effects and then drag and drop inside the callout precomposition. Like I will take this callout 01, like I just want to. Okay, then import your uh, footage inside your precomposition and then define the area where you want to be track your footage. Like I want to be from here like this, then choose those track motion option like this, so it will give a track point. So I will set my point this area, I want to track this area, and then analyze forward, so it will track your point. Okay, so after that you can go into the edit target option and choose those like pointer limit, and then okay, and after that apply it into XY dimension, so you can see it like this. Also I can animate this point to be position properties, like at the end of here, like this. Okay, then choose the next one like this call out, and then I just copy this footage by using Control C and then paste it at here like this, and then same, go to the track motion and choose another thing like this logo, not this logo, like this thing, like this, then track forward like the handle of the door. Okay, so after that edit target and choose this, rename it, okay, and then apply it into XY, so you can see it like that. Then I'm just doing same animation with this position properties like this. Okay, then you can convert your footage into guide layer, so select those layer and go to the guide layer option, then same was doing with the another decomposition, go to the guide layer option. Okay, then you can create your a fresh new comp and then drag your footage at here, not at here, copy those footage from here, so you can see, you can easily manage the start time while doing this thing, and then remove the guide layer option from this footage and then drag those call out precomposition inside your fresh precomposition, so you can see it like this. Okay, so this is a process. You can import more than one or two, three, whatever you want, like number of callouts on your video. Thank you.